Hey tea lovers, today I'm about to spill the tea, literally, on one of my all-time favorite drinks, authentic Karak tea. This Middle Eastern delight is creamy, spiced, and has a flavor that just hugs your soul. Ready to make your kitchen smell amazing? Let's go. First up, ingredients. You'll need black tea bags, any strong kind will do, a few cardamom pods, a cinnamon stick, sugar, and evaporated milk. Trust me, the evaporated milk is the secret to that rich, silky sip. Start by pouring 2 cups of water into a saucepan. Toss in 2 or 3 cardamom pods. Crush them a bit to release the magic, plus your cinnamon stick. Bring that to a boil and let those spices dance for a couple minutes. Next, add 2 black tea bags and let them steep until the water turns a deep, beautiful brown. Now for the sweetness. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, or more if you like it extra cozy. The real game changer? Evaporated milk. Pour in half a cup and watch your tea turn this gorgeous caramel color. Give it a good stir and let it simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. You want it rich and infused. Once it's ready, strain your Karak into your favorite mug. The aroma? Out of this world. Sip it slow and let those warming spices transport you straight to a bustling Middle Eastern cafe. If you try this, let me know your twist. Maybe a dash of saffron or a pinch of ginger? However you make it, Karak tea is all about sharing comfort, 1 cup at a time. Thanks for joining me. Now go treat yourself to a taste of tradition.